Most people quit at 5 reps, but what if I told you there's a method to hit 80+ pull-ups in a single set? Stay with me. This is how real progression works. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact steps to improve pull-up strength, avoid common mistakes that hold most people back, and start a plan that actually builds endurance over the next 7 days. No gimmicks, no unrealistic shortcuts, just smart, consistent progression that works. Step 1. Perfect your grip. Start with your hands on the bar. Overhand grip, fingers wrapped firmly, thumbs either under or over, whichever feels stable. Imagine crushing the bar. That mental cue immediately engages your forearms and lats. A strong grip isn't optional. It's the foundation for high-rep pull-ups. Step 2. Body position and core tension. Your body should stay tight. Legs slightly forward, core braced, back engaged. This isn't about swinging. Control is everything. The stronger your core, the less energy you waste, and the more reps you can stack. Step 3. Progressive pull-up variations. Start with negatives if you can't do many full reps. Pull up slowly, lower for 5 to 8 seconds. Then move to assisted pull-ups, band-supported or foot-assisted. Gradually reduce assistance. Add partial reps at the end to build endurance. Each step increases your max rep capacity. Step 5. Endurance and rest strategy. High reps require pacing. Don't sprint through the set. Pull to failure in short mini-sets. Rest just enough to recover strength. Think 10 to 15 reps, rest 30 to 60 seconds, then repeat. This method allows your muscles to adapt without burning out. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Swinging or kipping unnecessarily. Wastes energy. Mistake 2. Neglecting grip strength. Limits reps before fatigue hits. Mistake 3. Training to failure every single set leads to burnout. Mistake 4. Ignoring core engagement. Energy leaks everywhere. Mistake 5. Skipping progression. Expecting instant 80+ reps is unrealistic. 7-day action plan. Here's a simple week-long start. Day 1. Test your max reps. Focus on grip. Day 2. Negatives and assisted pull-ups, 3 sets each. Day 3. Rest or light mobility. Day 4. Full pull-ups plus partial reps, track progress. Day 5. Mini sets to failure, short rests, core engagement. Day 6. Rest or active recovery. Day 7. Test total pull-up count again. Notice improvements and log every rep. Tracking is key. If you're serious about hitting your first 80+ pull-ups, start this plan today. Comment your max reps so I can see your progress. Don't forget to subscribe and check the next video for advanced grip and endurance techniques.